In this video, I will show you how to change default page background on Microsoft Edge. So let me show you step by step. First up, after you open the Microsoft Edge like this, so now you want to change the default page background like this. So I'll click on these three dots, go to settings, go to this option, appearance. So from this option, click on this image. After you click on the image, scroll to down. So here you'll be able to find different appearance you'll be able to use or different page that you can be able to use. So I'll choose this one. So after you choose the one you want to use, so the next thing to do, go to up again, click on this color. So now you can change the color of the bar if you want. So after you finish changing, just click on this new tab. So from there you'll be able now to see the new interface that you change for your Microsoft Edge. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe on how to change page background in your Microsoft Edge browser. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, guys. And this is the new method to do it. And if you can't find the option, just let me know in the comment section below, because you have to update your browser sometimes. And thanks for watching, guys.